Hello, everyone. Today, I have prepared for you a lesson on counting by ones, fives, and tens. And I'm going to use little objects like these, hotels, and also cupcakes. And I'm going to use a 100 number chart and also dollar bills. First of all, I want to emphasize that when you do maths and counting, first start off with accuracy and then speed. And in counting, we use counting for money and objects and the things around us all the time. And for real life, in real life, we use money a lot, right? Pennies, nickels, and dimes, and also dollar bills. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and start off with counting by ones. First of all, when we count by ones, we have in this number on this number chart, all these numbers from 1 to 10, 1 to 100. The first row is 1 to 10. So we count by ones. We go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Next, I'm going to show you how we can use it for money. Here we have 1 penny, and then we count 2 pennies, and then 3 pennies, 4 pennies, 5 pennies, 6 pennies, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is real life. And we also have $1 bills. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. All right, so there are 10 $1 bills. Next, I want to show you when we play card games, we also use counting by ones. For example, if you say, how many points are there altogether on your cards? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 points altogether on 4 cards. All right. So I have shown you how to use different objects and money to count by ones. Next, I'm going to show you how to count by fives. I'm going to just use pennies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now for 5 pennies, you can say, well, instead of giving you 5 pennies, I can just exchange it and give you a nickel. All right. Next, I can go on. After 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then for the 10, I said instead of giving you 10 pennies, I'm going to give you a dime. All right. So we have 10 pennies for a dime, and then 5 pennies for a nickel. Okay. All right. So next, we are going to show you, I'm going to show you how to use How to count by fives using dollar bills. Let's start counting in fives. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, right? So I have $30 in $5 bills, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we are going to our next counting, which is counting by tens. So we're going to use our dimes right here. And we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And at the end, I have 100 cents, which is 10 dimes. And 10 dimes is $1. Okay. Which is 100 cents. Right. Okay, now we are going to do the work on the next worksheet. As you can see, I have a worksheet on counting by fives. So I'm going to start with I can write 5 and then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right. So this is counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Next, we're going to count by tens, and it's really easy. You just write all the zeros at the end. And then you just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. All right, now we are going to the last part of our lesson. How do I make $23 by using $5 bills and $1 bills? So what would you do? How many $5 bills do I use and how many $1 bills do I use? All right. So first of all, we start counting by fives. All right. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we pause. And then we take out the $1 bills. We have 1, 2, and 3. So here we go. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, next one. How do I make $67 using $10 bills, $5 bills, and $1 bills? So we take out how many? We take out 6 10s, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to take one $5 bill. So it's 65. And then we're going to take out two $1 bills. And that would be 67. All right. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. All right. All right, the next question. Can you tell me how much this amount on the mat? So I'm gonna show you some money on the mat and you're gonna count and then tell me the answer. So how much is on the mat? So let's count. 10, 20, 30, right? 35 plus 1, 36. Right? So we have $36 on the mat. And how about this amount? Can you count for me? Let's go ahead. 5, 10, 15, 16. Okay. If I have two $10 bills, three $5 bills, and four $1 bills, how much do I have in all? So let's work it out. So 1, 10, 20, and then 25, 30, 35. Okay. And 35. I'm sorry, I'm going to push this over here. 35, 36. All right. 37, 38, 39. Altogether, I have $39. Okay. Let's go through again. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I'm going to let you finish up number 6 and number 7 by yourself using 3 dimes, 4 nickels, 8 pennies, and 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 50. Which is more? Is it 4 dimes and 3 nickels or 54 pennies? I'll give you the answer on my description. Please look it up. All right. So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Take care.